Pastor, storytellers, how many families that you serve want to flourish materially, mentally, relationally, spiritually? Branching Out is a perfect series to invite families to be a part of a fresh reading of Genesis 2 and 3. In that story, we discover behaviors that God has built for us to flourish in all of those areas of our life. Look through the commentaries. Be a part of that. Let it soak into you and let it fill your soul as well. But there are so many gadgets within this series that we want to share with you. Please look through all of the tools and get on a coaching call with our team if you haven't really discovered all of the ways these series can impact and continue the conversation outside of just Sundays. But one thing we're really excited about in the gadgets folder in the library under Branching Out is a 21-day challenge. This we encourage to engage on social media. It is postable content ready to launch on your social media accounts. It is 21 days. It could be in concert with the 21-day prayer and fasting that you and your church has done. And there's series and there's content. There's a how to use in that gadget, and there is some postable copy in that gadget. So many ways to interact with this 21-day challenge to add value to the families that want to flourish in those areas. We encourage maybe it to be a January series when people are coming in, they're trying to get back into spiritual habits, healthy habits, relational habits, and this series is perfect for them. We hope this helps. If you, again, get on a coaching call with us if you need to go in more depth in this series or any series. Let's become the greatest storytellers in the world together.